everybody? I'm here today with a video on eggshell and banana peel plant fertilizer. This will be an easy DIY plant fertilizer tutorial. So as you can see right here, I actually yesterday for breakfast had some eggs and toast and a banana. Okay, it's a regular breakfast. Many people have eggs and bananas on a regular basis. Now most of the time you take your eggshells and your banana peels and you just toss them into your compost bin or your garbage or whatever the case is. But what you can do, which is fantastic, which I always do, is I take them and I place them aside, okay? And I put them in a sort of like a Ziploc bag like this, but I leave the Ziploc bag open. I don't seal it up. I leave it open and I let them dry out, okay? You're gonna let them dry out. Most of the time, it won't take more than a few days for them to be like bone dry. And what happens is the banana peels are like rock hard and the eggshells are nice and dry, okay? And you're gonna accumulate, you know, however many, I don't know, 10 eggs and 5 bananas or something like that. 10 eggshells and 5 banana peels. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna crunch them all up, okay? So the eggshells are all gonna get crunched up like this in the bag. Okay, as you can see, they're sort of a membrane because they're still a little bit wet. I only had these yesterday, but eventually they're just gonna crunch up into small pieces like that. And the banana peels, because they're going to be really dry, you can just break them apart. These are still soft, but in a few days they'll be dry. Then what I do is I take them and I put them in a blender and I blend it up. And when you blend it up, it just gets it into like almost like a very small like dirt. It looks like the same consistency and texture as dirt, okay, as soil. Some people will continue grinding it until it's like a very fine powder, but or dust. I don't like it that thin. I just like it so that it sort of looks similar to soil. Okay, then all you got to do is take that and put it inside of a potted plant or your plants outside. I have never seen my house plants grow so quickly. My wife has we have like 10 orchids in the house, I swear. They're all over the place and they grow, but they're not massive. And as soon as I started putting this fertilizer on them, they skyrocketed and they're so full and they're so bright, it's unbelievable. And I was throwing this stuff out in the compost anyways, in the organic waste anyways. So it's a free fertilizer for plants. It works super well, and you're gonna be doing this anyways. And you know what? You're doing something better for the earth. Instead of throwing it into the compost and then it makes its way down, you are yourself composting it into a do-yourself fertilizer. That's it. That is how to make an eggshell and banana peel plant fertilizer. If you want to see a video of the before and after of some plants, okay? Because I want to do that. I want to do maybe like a before putting the fertilizer and after. Drop a comment below because I'll make it happen if I see a decent amount of comments saying you want to see the results or the entire process for making it, okay? I just explained it, but you know, I can make a whole video on it. Let's just see if there's enough interest in the topic. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.